Okay, before the air show gets started here in about half an hour, you are going to see some traffic as some of the planes. All right, you'll notice the decoy is getting ready to take off. The stop control comes around in the brake. There'll be an air start. There'll be the next act. Rugged construction, it can pull up to 11 positive G's or 9 negative G's. Looks like Mike's having fun with those G's out here today as he throws that little airplane around. I was talking to one of the FAA guys earlier. He says it looks like it's just throwing a little airplane out there. A beautiful F-40 Corsair, look at this Bearcat coming down to us from Plains of Fame. Look at absolutely perfect condition. Get over to the Beverly Air Force hangar. We got the aircraft as well. All over the place from Alaska to Italy. And we had a whole lot of guys slugging their heart out in the Pacific. We're going to go into the Pacific theater of operation. It was totally different from World War II in Europe. It was mostly Navy, but there were guys on the ground that walked through the mud and climbed hills. And we're going to show you some of the airplanes that they used in World War II in the Pacific. Now, all of these airplanes, with the exception of 2 of them, they get developing it. So I think we're going to do a photo of a pass here and we're going to fire up. Okay, bomb bays are open. Under attack, intercepted by a Navy airplane. Firing smoke. Obviously, it looks like a hit because he's streaming smoke. I want to thank all of them for being out here and flying the Airshow. Because we cranked them out of all our factories. And now, very few are left. Japanese Zero is very deadly. World War II, you wouldn't see a sight like that when the Japanese got here. Tell your friends what a good time you had. Hopefully they'll come out tomorrow as well. Don't forget, you can buy tickets in the VIP lounge and the Unibird lounge. Support all the squadrons that were here. Thank everybody that's working out in the parking lots and directing traffic, and please be kind to them, as I mentioned. Big shout out to the organizations that put the air show on today. The experimental